Good morning, parents. Mr. Vigoro here. So today we're going to be doing division, finding the remainder, and then we're going to do division, finding the decimal. So we've done division, finding the remainders before, and the kids understand it pretty well. Matter of fact, they've done really good with these. So here's what I'm going to do. Let's say 1800 divided by 35. Let's go with that. You have to convert this to the division format. So it'll be 35 on the outside, 1800 on the inside. Okay? Now, the whole point of this is to find out how many times 35 can fit inside 1800. So I'll underline it just to help out. And we're going to go, when it comes to 1800, we're going to go one digit at a time. Okay, so we'll start with 35 going inside 1. The number 1 is smaller than 35. So we know this 35 cannot fit in number 1. So we'll put a 0 above the 1. The next thing is, can 35 fit inside 18? So the 1 and the 8 together. 18 is smaller than 35, so we know that 35 cannot fit inside 18. The next thing, 35, can it go inside 180? Well, let's find out. If you know your multiples, let's say 35 times 1 is 35. 35 can fit in 180. Can we go further? 35 times 2, that is 70. We can still keep going. 35 times 3 is 105. Okay, let's keep going. 35 times 4, that'll be man, I suck at math too, but it's all right. So if you get stuck here, like I just did, we can just do this. 35 times 4 is 140. I could have also just added 105 plus 35 would have given me the same thing. Now let's do 35 times 5. We can just add 35 to this 40, so it'll be 175. Now, can 175 fit inside 180? Yes, it can. 35, the number 35 can fit inside 180 at most 5 times. Well, Mr. V, why not 6? Well, if we do 35 times 6, and I can just do 175 plus 35, will be 210. 210 is too big to fit inside 180. So we know it's not 6 times. 210 cannot fit in 180. Okay? However, 175 can fit in 180. So 35 can fit inside 180 5 times. Why? Because 35 times 5 is 175, and 175 is the largest number that we can use to fit inside 180. So we know that 35 can fit inside 185 times. So we'll put the 5 right here. Okay, so now we're gonna do 5 times 35. And we already know that the answer to that is 175, so we're going to put it down here. And we're going to subtract. So the answer to this, well, let's see. This should just be 5, I believe. Yes, the answer to this is just 5. Okay, we're not done. You see this 0 that's by itself? It's been untouched. We have to bring down the 0. So now this 5 becomes a 50. Our job now is to figure out how many times 35 can fit inside 50. We know 35 times 1 is 35, so we know it can fit one time. 35 times 2 is 70. 70 is too big to fit inside 50. So we know 35 can only fit inside 50 one time. So we're going to put the 1 right here. And then we repeat the process. 1 times 35 is 35. And we subtract. We can't do 0 minus 5, so we have to borrow. We take away 1 from the 5, and this 5 becomes a 4. We put the 1 next to the 0, and this 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. Since there are no more zeros here, this is our remainder. So our answer becomes 51R15. And that's how you do remainder. If you have any questions, please feel free to just message me on YouTube or Class Dojo, and I'll be more than happy to help. Take care. Bye.